of this video is adjective. In this video, we will learn about adjective. Okay. Now we will see objective. To know the definitions of adjective. Okay. We will learn the definition of adjective. Now see adjective. What is adjectives? The words that describes noun are called adjective. Okay. The words that describe or says something about noun is called adjective. Now we will see some example. Okay. See here example. A white cat. What is cat? Cat is a noun. Yes or no? Then see what types of cat? It is white. Yes or no? Then what's white? White is adjective. Okay. Now second see. A good boy. See here boy. Boy is a noun. And what types of boy? He is good. Yes or no? And good is what? Adjective. Okay. It is describing about the boy. Yes or no? A tall girl. Girl is noun. And what types of girl? She is tall. Okay. These all are white, good, tall. These all are what? These all are adjective. Okay. Now we will see some exercise. Okay. See here. Number A. Fill in the blanks using suitable adjective. Okay. The search adjective. We have to fill here. Okay. We will do few. Okay. Not all we will do. Rest you have to do. Okay. I will do one or two. Okay. See here. The dash cat drank all the milk. See, this is cat. Yes or no? What cat is doing? Cat is drinking milk. Okay. The what types of milk? The dash cat drank all the milk. The hungry. Yes or no? You have to write here hungry. Okay. H-U-N-G-R-Y. Hungry. Okay. And number 2. Dash fruits are good for us. This is fruits. Okay. What types of fruit is good for us? Fresh. Yes or no? Then write here fresh. F-R-E-S-H. Fresh. Okay. Then rest this one you have to do yourself. Okay. Now number B. C. Rewrite the following sentence using the adjective given in brackets at suitable places. Okay. See now. What happened? You have to rewrite the following sentence. Okay. Using adjective which is given in bracket. This. Yes or no? It is given in bracket. Now see. I have a ball. It is given in bracket. Red. Red is adjective. Okay. See. How you have to write? I have a. And bracket. See here red. Then you have to write here red. Okay. I have a red ball. Okay. Now number 2. See here. Mother has a knife. Adjective is here sharp. Okay. See in bracket it is given there. Now how you have to write? See here. Mother has a before noun you have to write. Okay. Adjective. Mother has a scarf. See this scarf it will come here. To the knife. Okay. See. You have to do like this. You can see here. These are apples. Here is adjective. Sweet. Okay. In bracket. See. These are. This is what? Adjective. This adjective you have to write before noun. Okay. Sweets, apples. Okay. See. Apple is noun. Yes or no? Before noun you have to write adjective. Okay. Rest you have to do. Okay. See here. We will do some example. Okay. Circle the adjective. Now what you have to do? You have to circle. Okay. The adjective. Anil is a lazy boy. Okay. What types of Anil? Anil is a lazy boy. What is the objective? Adjective. Adjective is lazy. Okay. He is a lazy boy. Yes or no? Anil is lazy boy. Again see. Number B. This is a beautiful flower. Okay. Flower. Flower is what? Noun. And what is the adjective? Adjective is beautiful. Okay. Flower is what? Beautiful. Circle means you have to do like this. Okay, round. My car is red in color. Now see. What types of car? In which color? It is red. Yes or no? Then you have to do red like this. Red is what? Adjective. Okay. Now see, what is adjective? Okay. The words that describe noun are called adjective. Okay. This is the definition of adjective. Finally, what you have learned from this video is about adjective. I hope you have learned it very well. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe with your parents. Okay.